Hey, this is Yuri and welcome to Blauparts. Many of you are familiar with our BLAU fluid change kits that include Eurol lubricants. In this video, we're going to give you a brief tutorial on some of the Eurol bottle features and how to use our fluid transfer hand pump with the Eurol 1-liter bottles. If you're unfamiliar with Eurol high-performance oils and lubricants, we'll leave some links in the description below.
First, when handling any type of oil or lubricant, we always recommend using protective gloves to avoid skin contact. All Eurol 1-liter engine oil bottles come with a conventional 1.5-inch diameter bottle cap design with a foil seal. Once the cap has been removed in a counterclockwise direction and the foil seal has been removed, it's ready to pour. The 5-liter bottles include a collapsible pull-out pour spout. While holding the bottle firmly in place, use your index finger and thumb and begin pulling upward on the cap rings until the spout extends from the bottle. The pour spout is fully extended at around 2 inches. Next, loosen and remove the cap lid from the spout, unthreading it in a counterclockwise direction. Locate and remove the security seal by using your pointer finger to firmly pull upwards on the seal ring until it tears from the bottle cap. Now the Eurol 5-liter bottle is ready to pour. If you have a 1-liter transmission fluid, gear oil, or transfer case fluid bottle, these come with an additional pull-out fill tube feature. Locate and pull upward on the cap rings, allowing the built-in fill tube to be extracted upward from the bottle cap. The fill tube is fully extracted at around 3 inches. Next, remove the cap lid and using the bottle's built-in fill tube, begin dispensing the lubricant into the desired driveline components. For those of you who need access to hard-to-reach fluid fill ports on your transmission, differential, or transfer case, we have our fluid transfer hand pump kit that can be threaded directly onto the Eurol 1-liter bottles. To prepare the fluid transfer hand pump for use and ensure an efficient fluid extraction, the suction pickup tube will need to be trimmed for the depth of the Eurol 1-liter bottle. This is best done by removing 2.5 inches from the flat, even end of the pickup suction tube. Once measured and cut to length, insert the newly cut flat end side of the tube into the pump's intake port, ensuring it is securely seated. Loosen and remove the cap from the Eurol 1-liter bottle, unthreading it in a counterclockwise direction. Insert the fluid transfer hand pump into the bottle, threading it in a clockwise direction to a snug, hand-tight feel. Cut the clear hose to your desired length required to access your vehicle's driveline component fluid fill port. Attach the hose to the pump spout, pushing the hose onto the spout around 1 inch. Next, direct the end of the hose into the desired fluid fill port and begin pumping and transferring the fluid into your transmission, differential, or transfer case. Continue repeating this sequence with each additional bottle as needed.
So that is a brief overview on the Eurol bottle features and how to use our fluid transfer hand pump with the Eurol 1-liter bottles supplied in our BLAU fluid change kits. To learn more about our BLAU fluid change kits and our full range of high-performance engine oils, transmission fluids, gear oils, and transfer case fluids, you can visit our website at blauparts.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.